Welcome. If you want to turn on in-game chat in League of Legends Wild Rift, at the first we have to tap on the settings icon, and then we have to focus on this settings right here. So here we get the in-game chat, and currently it's turned off, but we can turn it on for all players, and also we can leave it only for the team players. So you have to decide what you want to set up. I go of course for the all players, because I want to know what other players from other team type in the game, and after that we can simply go back. So that's how we can turn it on. Thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments, and subscribe to our channel.